Hi, Kelly Fitzmaurice with My Home Group. We are at the beautiful Emerald Scottsdale community today, conveniently located off of Via Linda and 108th Street. Why we love this location so much is it's very close to the Mayo Clinic, hiking trails, and shopping, and so much more. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath is a patio home that's a little under 1,300 square feet. There are so many upgrades, including a wine fridge. Who doesn't love a wine fridge? Let's take a look around and see what you think. If you would like more information about this lovely townhome that you just viewed, please get a hold of me, Kelly Fitzmaurice, with the Kate Grant Group, 480-265-1111. Thank you.